See this? So we shall. This is some theory about the transformations or elementary transformations. I think you understood how to find the rank. That is most important question in matrices. Given a matrix, how can you find out the rank using the elementary transformations? And this whole theory is extra part, which will be useful for interviews. Okay. So just watch it. Even if you don't understand it, leave it. It will not be asked in gate, but it will definitely be asked in the interviews. Okay. So watch this one. A matrix obtained from a unit matrix by single elementary transformation is called elementary matrix, which means if you take a unit matrix and if you apply only one transformation, elementary transformation, then whatever matrix you get, that is called as elementary matrix. So what I mean to say is like this. If you have this elementary unit matrix of size 3 by 3, okay, this is a unit matrix of size 3 by 3, isn't it? Now on this matrix, if I exchange first row and third row, if I exchange these two, then what happens is we get this one, isn't it? Therefore by the elementary operation exchanging row 1 with row 3, we are going to get this one, isn't it? That is why it is called as elementary matrix, because from the unit matrix, upon applying only one operation, we got this, right? Now I examine the next one. So if I multiply the second row by 4, then I am going to get this one, which means if I take this unit matrix and if I replace second row with second row multiplied with 4, then I am going to get this one, right? That is why it is called elementary matrix. And again watch this one. So how did we get this one? We take the unit matrix, then we replace first row by R1 plus 2 into R2. So what does it mean? Multiply this one with 2 and then add it back to row 1, then we get 1 2 0, right? So what I mean to say is they are all elementary operations, isn't it? But then apply only one at a time. So when you take the unit matrix and then apply only one elementary operation, then the resulting matrix whatever you get is called as elementary matrix. So what is the advantage of it? I'll tell you. Okay. And the next one is every m by n matrix of rank R. So whenever you see that a matrix is of rank R, then there is a chance that you can reduce that matrix to this form by using elementary transformations, which means we can take a matrix and we can apply elementary transformations in such a way that we'll convert the entire matrix to a unit matrix of its size will be equal to the rank of the matrix and all the remaining elements will be zeros. Got it? So where IR is a unit matrix, we can do it for every matrix. I'll take examples and I'll show you. Then what is the importance of this elementary matrix is whenever you are trying to apply some operation on a matrix, elementary operation, then you could apply the operation on a unit matrix and you could actually multiply with a matrix. Okay, I'll explain that separately, don't worry about it. First let's focus on this point. I'll again come back to these elementary matrices later, but first let's focus on this with examples. So what I mean to say is, if you have a very big any matrix of size m by n, and if you find out that its rank is R, then always we can reduce it to the form IR into this. Okay, we shall see more examples on this. You'll understand this point clearly. Later we shall see that point. Fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177. and IIT Roorkey's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkey, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkey is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkey. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.